Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to find your Instagram profile link or URL. This is great for sharing with friends and family who don't have Instagram and you would like to show them your photos and videos. Another good use of this is to list it in profile details of other social media platforms. So let's go ahead and open up your internet browser on your computer. Next, let's go to instagram.com, log into your account. Once you're logged in, then click on your profile image at the top right and then click on profile. Once the page loads up, you can then copy that link from the web address and that link is your Instagram profile. And that is how to find out your Instagram profile link. So I hope you did find this useful. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you never miss another social media tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.